Hey guys, we're here with Ben and Rebecca from His and Hers Alaska, right?
No, it used to be His and Hers Alaska.
I'm sorry.
That's how long I've been watching.
I've been drunk up in the Smokies on a Rocky Mountain high.
We also met up with Ben and Rebecca of His and Hers Vlogs at the Schoolie meetup, and Candace is going to take you for a tour of their rig. Rebecca's going to show her around. This is an awesome vehicle, guys. 4x4 diesel, pretty much go anywhere.
I do want to apologize ahead of time for all the extra noise. There was a lot going on around us. These are a lot of YouTubers, so there was a lot of filming going on and stuff.
Yeah. And the shop is very loud. There's lots of big fans going on.
And a big echo inside a big shop like that. So bear with us, but it's still pretty awesome.
Look how high they are. I like the little drawings on the side too, are pretty cool.
Those are going to change.
Are you going to have it wrapped maybe?
I don't think we'll have it fully wrapped, but we're going to do some vinyl stickers. And
very cool.
some, you know, something kind of discreet.
Alright, let's check it out. Oh. Hey, you guys got one of those little square ottomans too. Those are nice.
To get rid of some of the baskets.
So under here's the fridge?
Yep.
Cool.
So we've got the fridge here, and then we have a freezer here. So pretty nice because we bring meat from Alaska with us.
Oh yeah. Is it pretty good size in there?
It actually is. So pretty deep.
And it goes almost to the bottom?
Almost. It comes down to about here.
That's awesome. So you got fresh fish and all that stuff?
Yep, salmon, halibut, caribou. I think somebody gave us some venison and pork the other day, so we have some of that.
Oh, neat. I haven't had that in a long time.
Yep.
I like these locks on all the cabinets. It's
different.
different.
They didn't hold very well, so we ended up adding these.
Oh.
Ben broke that one.
And so these were already here?
Yeah, these were here, and obviously the knobs, and then we added these.
Cool.
So we have a diesel stove, which is dirty.
Oh, I miss having a flat top stove though. I hate having to clean around all the stuff.
The thing that surprised me is this sink is actually quite deep.
Oh yeah.
So that's pretty nice.
Do you do okay with this as far as getting your bowls and stuff under to clean?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it does okay. I'd kind of like to replace this and put something a little bit more modern looking in when we do the countertop.
We are eventually thinking we want one that's like taller because it's hard to get your bowls and stuff underneath there.
Totally agree.
And a nice big bed area.
Yep. It's a full queen size bed.
And storage underneath.
Storage under there. And we have storage under the bed in the garage on the back side.
Oh, yeah.
So like
you got a garage
6x3
too.
by 4 foot space.
Very cool.
Yep.
And that little trash, that's the size we need, but we'd fill it up twice a day.
Yeah, we do. Every day it gets emptied, but it fits perfectly there, so that's what matters.
Not bad for 2 people and a little dog.
Yeah.
Got everything you need. And then the shower's just right
shower
here by the door.
Are here.
But at least you have somewhere to sit and shave your legs.
I know,
I envy that. I have a little kind of diamond shaped, but you know, I'm tall and I got long arms, and when I get in there, it's like to try to shave my legs. I'm like,
I know.
I can't reach.
I remember that all too well. That was like a big thing for me, so I put my foot up on the cassette toilet and shaved my legs.
Well, that was awesome, and thank you for the tour.
Yeah. Happy to show you. This is our cassette toilet, so this is where we empty the cassette.
Wow, that's neat.
And then water right there. And we have 520 watts of solar.
Oh, that's nice.
The double pane acrylic windows. So they work
I love how the windows open. That's cool.
I love it because, you know, it rains a lot in the Midwest and the mountains here in the summertime.
It is, yeah, I was gonna say it is.
Lots
We've
of
never traveled this way in the summertime. This is our first time.
Yeah.
We've just been in the winter. So I was surprised to see how many thunderstorms, like every night almost. And I love that.
And it rains and the interior doesn't get wet, but you can still keep air flowing.
That's awesome.
So, yep.
That is an awesome vehicle, guys. I couldn't live in it for very long. It doesn't, there's not, you know, there's not a lot of storage. Some things are kind of difficult to get to.
Yeah.
But for a little while, I could do it just to be able to go anywhere.
It's very compact, but everything you need is there.
Yeah,
I mean, I could definitely go exploring for a while. I guess we'll see how their adventures go, actually living full-time for a long period.
Yeah.
See how that works out for them on their channel.
But they're shipping theirs to Europe in the near future, and that's not something we would probably do anytime soon, but I would love to have one to explore over here.
You could really take that to some of the really secluded camp spots and all the places we like to ride, so that's pretty awesome.
Back where the only people that might see you is someone on an ATV. There's not,
it's not
a normal
everyone,
RV won't get there.
Yeah,
That
everyone else
cool.
can't get there and camp in the same spot as you, so that would be very neat.
Yep. So we are heading out of Denver and we are heading out of Colorado, and we're making our way to Kansas, and we're going to meet back up with Ben and Rebecca and do some actual camping.
Turns out they're very awesome people. We hit it off really well. A lot of similarities and enjoy the same things, so we're going to hang out for a little longer.
Yeah, and we're also heading to somewhere in Kansas that a lot of you probably never thought existed. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe below, hit the little bell so you get a notification when the video comes out.
Definitely leave us a comment, let us know what you thought about this video. Don't forget to watch the rest of them if you haven't already.
Yep.
And check us out on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Extra posts and pictures and fun stuff like that to check out.
Yep, and we'll see you guys in a couple days.
Thanks for watching.
Hey guys, we're here with...
We showered last night.
Hey guys, we're... No, not at all. We're here with Ben and Rebecca from His and Hers.
And camp anywhere
Some
where
of those really
no one's going to see you. Exclusive.
Excluded.
Exclusive.
What am I trying to say?
Secluded.
Secluded.